Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at the construction of a new Brunswick village in Spanish Town. Now this is a massive development being undertaken by Sagicor. And Sagicor is the same company that built the Millennium Mall in Maypen. And that mall didn't really live up to expectation. So they are doing another project here in Spanish Town this time. And this one is a mix between commercial and residential units. So the units at the front that we're passing or flying over now, those are the commercial buildings. And then at the back, where you see those high-rise towers and straight ahead, those are the residential units. And then as we turn the drone, you can see more other commercial units. So it's going to be 40 commercial units and 80 or 90 residential units at the back. And this development is built on Brunswick Avenue, which is in the heart of Spanish Town. Spanish Town is an old city. It used to be the capital of Jamaica hundreds of years ago. And this town was built, I guess, hundreds of years ago. And it's still one of the areas with the largest population in Jamaica. I think only the city of Kingston has more people. So it's a very developed town. You have a lot of communities on the outskirts. So to find 12 acres of land in the town itself to do a development wasn't easy. But the development is practically finished. It should open, well, the deadline was April 2023, but we are now in July. So it should open before the end of the year. And some of the units are being, I know like one fast food chain has taken up a spot here, the commercial spot. And Sagicor Bank is supposed to set up a branch inside here. Now, I don't think they are going to have a supermarket. So, as you know, if you've been watching the channel, you need three things for a successful plaza in Jamaica. You need a brand name supermarket, a large supermarket chain. This plaza doesn't have one. You're going to need to build a plaza in a populated area. Spanish Town, very populated. Brunswick Avenue, in the heart of Spanish Town. And you're going to need food stores. And so this plaza doesn't have the supermarket, but they should have everything else. And then a new model that I have noticed emerging now is the building of the plaza or the mall and then the residential units beside it. And the same thing is being done in Ocho Rios and at what's the name of that new mall? Ocho Rios, the name just slipped me, but the mall is built and they're now working on the residential units on the same property. Just like these residential units, you'll have a gate you go through to get to the apartments. So you go through one gate to get to the commercial part, and then you go through another gate to get to the residential part, making them very secure. So we had mentioned Millennium Mall at the beginning, and Sagicor built a massive mall in Maypen, or on the outskirts of Maypen. Massive. But it didn't do well. The last time we took a tour there, first of all, when the mall opened, they had no supermarket. No supermarket, and that was a major problem. However, they've now opened a supermarket sometime this year, and it was so bad at one time that the food court in the mall was empty. 3/4 or even 80% of the shops were empty. And those shops that were occupied had literally nobody in them. We are going to take another tour of the Millennium Mall this week to see if it is doing any better. The supermarket should help, but let's see. We will take a tour this week and give you an update. But in terms of this development, let's hope that Sagicor gets this one right and that it does a lot better than the Millennium Mall. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Enjoy the rest of the video and remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.